Hello, today I'm going to discuss and show you the science behind chocolate chip cookies. But before we get into that,
As many of you know, there are many types of cookies in different cultures, like these Oreos that were invented in Manhattan, these spoon cookies that were invented in Finland, these disgusting oatmeal cookies from England, and these macaroons that were invented in Italy but are now famous in France.
okay, now we can bake. We'll start by adding our butter, which will create a more delicate crumb. Then we'll add in our sugar, which is a sucrose and disaccharide, a disaccharide being a sugar that contains two monosaccharides, a monosaccharide being the most basic form of sugar of glucose and fructose. Next, we'll add in our brown sugar, which is just regular sugar that has sucrose crystals covered in cane molasses, which gives it its brown color. We'll then cream together our butter and sugars until it reaches this consistency. Yes, I accidentally cracked the egg before I could take the picture, just leave it alone. We'll then crack our eggs into the batter, beat it well, and reach a nice smooth consistency like this. Next, we'll add in vanilla, which comes from vanilla beans and is used to sweeten our batter. We'll then add in our baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, and it is a leavening agent that makes our baked goods rise. Note that sodium bicarbonate and baking powder are not the same. Sodium bicarbonate needs an acid and a liquid to activate, while baking powder only needs a liquid in it because it already has sodium bicarbonate. We add salt so it helps cut the oily, mouth-filling butter draws and it encourages browning. We'll next add our chlorinated flour, which is flour that has been treated with chlorine, which I know sounds kind of scary to consume because chlorine usually goes in pools, but it is okay to consume in this sense. It actually helps the flour not collapse or shrink during the baking. Finally, we add in our dark chocolate chips and our milk chocolate chips to our batter. Fold that in and let it chill overnight so it helps control the spreading of the cookies.
The next day.
After an excruciating 24 hours, we'll grease and line our pan with parchment paper. Scoop our batter. Now in the oven, the heat will make the sodium bicarbonate react with acids in the dough, creating carbon dioxide bubbles to make our cookies more fluffy. And now we have cookies.